Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a MacBook that is not charging. All right, let's begin. First, if your MacBook still has some battery left, try restarting it. Click on the Apple icon at the top corner of the screen and select Restart. Once your MacBook turns back on, plug the charger in again and check if it starts charging properly. If that doesn't work, inspect the charging port for dust, debris, or dirt that could be blocking the connection. If you are using a MagSafe charger, check both the connector and the charging port carefully. If your MacBook uses USB-C charging, inspect all available ports and try a different one if possible. Use a cotton swab or soft cloth to gently clean the ports and charger connection. Also, examine the charging cable for any visible damage or fraying, since faulty cables are a common cause of charging issues. If your MacBook still will not charge, try using a different charger or cable. For example, switch from a MagSafe charger to a USB-C charger if your model supports it, or simply test another cable and adapter combination. If you have an older Intel-based MacBook, you can also try resetting the SMC, which can sometimes resolve charging problems. So that's basically how you can fix a MacBook that is not charging. That's it for this video. Thanks.